Hey everyone, Lenny Bonds here from Untitled Chapter. And one of the big questions I'm getting regarding the Pixel 5a is how do the speakers sound? This is the Pixel 5. This is the 4a 5G. And this is the Pixel 5a. This is one of the questions I've been getting regarding the speaker quality because obviously we know the 5 has a built-in speaker underneath the glass, which, muddled the sound a little bit as opposed to the Pixel 4a 5G, which gives you very good sound. So what we're going to do is we'll play the Pixel 5 and the Pixel 5a at the same time, and you let me know which one do you think sounds better. Now, as you can hear, obviously, these are louder and clearer, at least to me. You let me know your opinion. So I'm going to put the 5 aside. We're going to rewind this, and we're going to go with the 4a. So I'll play the 4a first, and then I'll play the 5a.
That's you and me. All day, that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just...
And now we'll do the 5a.
Yeah, every day, that's you and me. All day, that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just...
Okay. Now they both sound very good to me. You guys will have to make the call here. I'm going to play them at the same time to see if one overtakes the other. This is 4a 5G. This is 5a. I hope the sound came through correctly, but this is what I'm trying to show you guys. The Pixel 5a is every bit as good as the Pixel 4a 5G to me, and I think it might have just a little louder volume. You let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Give me some tips on how I could do this test any better. This is Lenny Bond from Untitled Chapter signing off. Thank you.